How to redeem Zappos promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Zappos promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Zappos promo code. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Zappos. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $20 off, $70 off, 30% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Zappos. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in the copied code and then confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. That way you have just redeemed the code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Zappos. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps, and you can use same exact steps to redeem the code as well. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily redeem Zappos promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.